Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, April 22nd, and we're about to, well, Robert mostly is about to make some breakfast. He's gonna make some French toast. He went to the store and he got this bread, the brioche loaf, and some other stuff here. And then today we're gonna try to make empanadas today, you know, so yeah. And I'm about to have some coffee in my Avengers mug, the Captain America one that I got from Vegas. Speaking of that, I still haven't even finished editing that vlog, which my goal today is to have that video like edited and uploaded by tonight, because it's already been like 2 weeks, hasn't it? Huh? It hasn't been 2 weeks? What? Yeah, huh? Since we went to Vegas. Damn guys, I'm slacking. But work was kind of crazy, you know. I've been working a lot, and just I feel like we haven't had like really I feel like this is the first weekend that we've actually just like been home. Like last week, Robert's been working too on the weekends, so it's just been crazy. But so that's the goal today, to do that. And then my sister Leslie should be coming over soon, like around noon, she said. And yeah, let's go see what Elijah's doing. I'm also doing lots and lots of laundry today. He's watching TV and eating an apple. But you guys, I don't think I showed you our family pictures that we got done. Look how cute. And then Elijah here. These are last year's pictures. And some of my maternity ones too. And then we have this one. He looks so cute. And that one's the year before. But yeah. I don't know if I even showed you guys the curtains that we got, which are those. This is like 6 panels right here. It's a big ass window. And then that one's pretty big too. But then we also, I don't think I ever showed you guys these lights either. We got our lights put in. So there's that. And then these lights. One of the other things that we have to do is we actually got a sliding glass door. And we're actually gonna take, cause this is like, we didn't used to have the, you know, right there, the AC and heater thing, the AC and heating, cooling or whatever system, but we actually got it installed. These are the vents for that. So this is what used to like cool the house, and I used to have like different heaters, like the space heaters that go on the wall. But anyway, so we're gonna take, like, you know, tear this part down and then up to here, and we're gonna replace all this right here with the glass sliding door, so that will look much better. And then something else that we have to do is we still need to get our trimming. We're getting white trimming for the top and for the bottom, so you can see, like, yeah, we still need to do our trimming. So that's pretty much like all for right now. There's still a lot more that we want to do to our house, but oh, the light's over here. I gotta turn off the lights. But that's like pretty much all for now. And we eventually want to get a new couch. This is a couch that we had at Robert's parents' house, and a new area rug. This one's just temporary. But yeah, guys. So I just finished editing that video, and it's already about to be 2. It's saving right now, and I'm gonna upload it right after. Yeah, so that took a while, but yeah, so I'm gonna actually do my makeup right now. My sister Leslie was here, but she went somewhere really quick. And then when she comes back, we're actually gonna go to Target because I need to get some stuff. And yeah, so I'm about to do my makeup. And there's Elijah eating Go-Gurt. Need help? Hey guys! Chill. Okay guys, so we are in the car. It is hot. And we are headed to Target. I have Leslie here with me, but she doesn't want to be on camera. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go to Target and then
maybe grab a bite.
Maybe grab a bite. Leslie's not really excited about going to Target because she hates going anywhere with me because she always thinks I take forever. But we left Elijah with Robert, and then so yeah, guys, and that video is still saving right now. So yeah, I'm just glad to get it over with. But we'll talk to you later. Say bye, Leslie.
Bye.
Peace out with your fingers. We got back from Target. It's 5 o'clock now. And we just got done eating. Leslie actually bought us some Wendy's. But I wanted to show you guys what I got really quick from Target. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So I bought Elijah diapers, which I'm not going to show because they're over there. But I did buy him diapers. Then we got these nail clippers because the ones he had. What, puppy? Yeah? The ones that I had since he was a baby, they actually got like messed up somehow, so I don't know how, but yeah. So he needed some new ones. So, and I don't like using the big ones. I have used them a few times already, and I just feel safer using these. So we got him that, and then I got some ice blocks for my lunch bag because I need to start taking more lunch to work, and that's why I got this variety pack of Tupperware. And then we got these 2 popcorn containers from the dollar spot. They were just $1 each, so got that. Then I got some garbage bags, sandwich bags, and freezer bags. Then I got more of this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. I love this stuff. I love using this like on the countertops and all that. And then I also picked up some Fabuloso. I wanted to try this for the kitchen floors. And then some more laundry stain remover. Yeah, guys, I go through a lot of this stuff because I'm always like, I always like to take good care of Elijah's clothes. I don't dry any of his clothes. I actually air dry almost everything except for like his socks and all that. So, and I always, you know, take out all his stains before I wash them, just in case it doesn't come out in the wash. But yeah, guys, so this is my, I used to like the Dollar Tree one, and I've showed it to you guys before, but I haven't been able to find it the last few times that I've gone. So, but that one works really good. But this is my second time getting this one, and I actually really like it also. It's just not as cheap as the dollar store one. Which this one's only like 2 something, I want to say. 2 something or 3 something. But anyway, so I got more hangers for Elijah because he has a lot of clothes, and I feel like I'm always buying hangers for him. And then Leslie actually bought him this shirt that says, "Change the world one friend at a time." And she got him that with these bright orange shorts, which are so cute, and I feel like Elijah will pull these off. And then I actually picked up this shirt for him. It's a pocket tee with little specks on it, and it's striped, heathered, and that's like blue, but I realized that it also goes really well with these shorts. So yeah, guys, that's everything we got from Target, and we're actually gonna head out again soon. Here's Elijah. Say hi. Oh. So I totally forgot to mention that we actually got a new car. We got a 2012 Chevy Tahoe, and we're currently in it right now. We're going to the park. But yeah, guys, pretty nice, pretty nice.
Wait till you see the outside.
I'm gonna have Leslie show you
what are
how it looks from.
I don't see you guys. Do you see you?
Yeah. to show like.
Cool. They're back. More seats back there. Elijah, say what's up. Say what's up. Cheese, yeah. Cheers. Hey, Mina. Yep.
So yeah, guys, it has black leather and it has a third row. So this actually seats eight people.
Oh, recording.
Oh, sorry. So yeah, this actually seats 8 people, so it's pretty big, but you know, we're gonna grow into it eventually. But yeah, guys, I kind of forgot to tell you guys that. But I'll show you guys what it looks like from the outside once we get to the park. All right, guys, this is our car. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. There's Robert and Elijah. He came to feed the ducks. We haven't brought Elijah here since he was like not even a year old yet. Or actually, he probably had just turned a year old the last time we came. What is that, Elijah? What is it? Robert, not chasing it.
Huh? Go chase him! Go chase him! Go run!
Whoa!
Oh! The little guy. Watch out! He'll bite you.
Okay.
Say go! He's eating it. Good job, huh?
Damn, what the hell are we doing? Choking him? Oh, that's true. Actually, that's smart. Lily! Damn. Why didn't they have another
You're going to space or what?
No, what the hell's going on here? They actually care about kids now? You ready for blast off? Cause I ain't. Did Robert come?
No.
Yeah, I remember there's stuff.
You see him?
Oh my god! His teeth! Oh my god! Oh!
Ow, you hurt me. All done? Say all done.
He's all scared.
It's over your big cheeks.
Stina 509 in the building. What you know about Stina 509? Yeah, yeah. Anyone want a free autograph? Yep, hit her up, hit her up, hit her up.
Are you dizzy?
He'll probably like these better too.
Yeah.
You should try it. You should put them on there. Hurry.
Where are you going?
Come on.
You want to go in there? In there?
This one's over. And it looks better. Mina. You have to be careful here though. He's like, alright, well I don't see the excitement here, so let's go.
All done. Wow. All done.
Oh. Ow. I said ow. This looks sick. We need a music video right here. Ooh. Oh! Got that right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hit us one more time. Hit us one more time. No? All right.
Yay, you made it, Bob! Yay!
Trust me, over there he'll fall.
Come on!
Over there he'll fall, Mina. Should I go down with him?
No. Whoa!
Jackson, come on! Let's go!
Over here.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Can you go backwards?
Wow. You gotta stay right here, puppy.
Hey guys, I have to give you guys quarters now, okay?
That's fine.
1, 2, and 3 is your shit. Hold on, not even. Shut that so we won't put this camera in there. Hey little guy, I'm not showing no body parts, don't worry. Just want to say what's up. Oh, that's sweet, dude. What? That's super cool. Does he have curly hair? He does.
I'm finishing up cooking a late dinner right now. We're just waiting on the rice, which is right here. But I made this right here, which is just ground beef with corn and pato sauce. So we like to eat that like in burritos with sour cream and cheese. It's pretty bomb. So the rice should be almost be done. Robert's grating cheese right now. Elijah's munching on some cheese. He just got out of the bath too. So right after this he's going to bed because he should be pretty tired. And then I have some chicken cut up right here because I'm gonna also make some chicken fajitas for lunch, and I'm gonna serve it in like Tupperware so I can take it throughout the week. But I'm also working on finishing up laundry, which I always like slack on doing laundry, and I always end up going to bed super late on Sundays because of the laundry. Let me show you guys how much, like I'm finishing the last load of mine and Robert's laundry, but Elijah's, oh my gosh. He has so much clothes, so I can go so long without washing his clothes. So he has this full, this big pile, and then this bag is full from when he was with Grandma and Grandpa while we were in Vegas. So all that of his is dirty, so I gotta do that tonight. And it's 8:45 right now, so I'm gonna be going to bed late today. Alright guys, so it is 10:30 now, and my sister Leslie actually helped me wash all the dishes, so that helped me a lot. But I finished folding all the laundry, and I'm just gonna hold off on Elijah's clothes until tomorrow because he has something that he can wear tomorrow already, so I'm just gonna hold off on his clothes until tomorrow because that takes me a long time. But yeah guys, so I'm just gonna like, oh, I already packed all of my lunches. These ones right here, and there's like more in the back. And I already got my lunch bag packed in here. That way I can just take it with me, you know, as soon as I'm ready to walk out the door, because I do have to wake up a little bit earlier tomorrow. I work at 7:30 and it takes me like 20 minutes to get to work. So yeah, but anyways guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna change, I get comfortable and lay down. I'm exhausted. Yeah guys, so I'll see you next time. Bye.